Hello and welcome, Greg here from Rex and Volkswagen, proudly showing you today this gorgeous looking and approved use Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line. Finished here in Grenadilla black metallic paintwork, it features a number of factory fitted extras making it incredibly desirable. Key highlights in the front will include this stylish LED headlights with daytime running lights and illuminated front grille, as well as these upgraded diamond cut alloy wheels around the side will make it certainly stand out. In the rear there are also signature shaped LED taillights with an illuminated light bar, and the boot space is absolutely practical, featuring 40-20-40 folding split seats, as well as a variable boot floor and even a trailer tow bar. Whilst in the front, decorative door and dash inserts with ambient lighting can be found, and front sports seats that even offer electric support with massage function. The driver will further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel which operates the digital cockpit, allowing you to display sat-nav and even operate the heated steering wheel, which will certainly come in handy during the colder winter months. Upgraded head-up displays projected directly onto the windscreen, and this larger 15-inch touchscreen is a joy to use. It unlocks easy-to-pair Bluetooth telephony along with FM and DAB digital radio, as well as sat-nav that can be displayed on the center screen as well. Whilst various other vehicle settings are on offer, you'll certainly enjoy the convenience of wireless Apple CarPlay with wireless AndroidAuto. Helping you park, there's a park assist system along with an area view parking camera as well. Other clever features will incorporate a host of active safety systems which will scan the road ahead to protect you and your occupants at all times, while selectable drive modes will opt for efficiency or a sportier drive with up to 30 multicolour ambient lights. Front massage seats will keep you really comfortable on those longer journeys, with an adjustable speaker sound system also available, along with ChatGPT functionality. 2-zone climate control, heated front seats and twin wireless induction chargers are also some of the highlights. This has been a presentation of the approved used Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.